In the Halo 3 mission, The Covenant, Chief and the Arbiter actually team up with the Flood to defeat the Prophet of Truth and, by effect, the Covenant as a whole.
Do not shoot, but listen. Let me lead you safely to our foe. Only you can halt what he has set in motion.
These Flood infection animations are absolutely brutal. This sequence leads to the crescendo of the Arbiter's story arc and his final spit in the face to the so-called journey that had them all tricked.
I shall become a god! You will be food, nothing more. No! I am truth! The voice of the Covenant! So, you must be silenced.
The Flood then do the floodiest thing that the Flood could do and betray the Chief and Arbiter. Some friendships just aren't meant to last.
Now the gate has been unlatched. Headstones pushed aside. Corpses shift and offer room. A fate you must abide.
God, I love Halo.
We trade one villain for another.
God damn, why is he laying like that? I swear, Cannon Chief is so strong that even his teabags send people through the floor.